كريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في كلامه المجيد لقد رضي الله عن المؤمنين إذ يبايعونك تحت الشجرة صدق الله العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم لو كان بعدي رسولا لكان عمر بن الخطاب أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Respected teacher, respected students and dear parents, most welcome to Madrasa Abu Huraira Fazliabad Takhbai. My name is Muhammad Shah Sawar from class 3. The topic of my today's speech, the glory of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala An. Honorable scholars and respected audience, today I have the privilege to speak about a shining star in the sky of prophethood, a personality whose acceptance of Islam marked a turning point in Islamic history. With his conversion, the greatness of Islam echoed throughout the universe, and the glory of the religion of truth spread across the heavens and the earth. Dear listeners, when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam proclaimed the messenger of monotheism and the religion of Allah, the leader of Quraysh were shaken. They began to plot hardship and persecution against the messenger of Allah. During those difficult and painful days, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned to the eternal Lord in supplication. How emotional and heart-touching that moment must have been when the messenger of mercy placed his blessed forehead upon the ground near the Kaaba and prayed with deep sorrow and passion. Allahumma a'izzal Islam bi ahadil Umarain. O Allah, you choose make Abu Jahl a Muslim or Ibn Khattab. I think my Prophet did not demand Umar for his name. He wanted the strength of Islam. Allahumma izzal Islam, give dignity to Islam. My beloved Prophet prayed, O Lord, the choice is yours, decision is yours, prayer are mine. O Lord, make Abu Jahl a Muslim or Ibn Khattab. The heaven listened, the angel rose. Allah said, O my dear Prophet, my beloved Prophet, you are prayed, feast the arsh. Now I will decide. I looked into Abu Jahl's heart. It was dead, cold, faithless, the rust of the damned. He is your enemy. Muhammad, by your prayer, I will bring Umar to your door. I will have him welcomed at your door. I will make people cry out, Allahu Akbar. I will make joy happen. I will make Umar say the kalima, the declaration of faith. Muhammad, after you by his hand, I will wave the banner of the religion, the poor spears of the words, with talk of Islam. See, until the day of resurrection, Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala An, grave will be with you in your Rawza. On judgment day, I will raise him with you and take you to paradise. This is Allah's choice. Respected audience, today I want to shed light on the life of Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab Raziyallahu Ta'ala An. He is the Umar about whom the beloved Prophet said, لو كان بعدي رسولا لكان عمر بن الخطاب. If there were any prophet after me, it will have been Umar. He was a man whose fear was upon not only people but even the devils. His voice was so powerful that Muslims openly prayed in the Kaaba. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala An was so courage that when it was time to migrate, he performed the tawaf of the Kaaba and announced that he was migrating. Those who want their children fatherless and their wives widow behind should come in my way. His advice and opinion often align with divine guardians. during the battle of Badr, his decision regarding prisoner were taken as example. Even the verses of hijab for the Prophet wives was revealed in line with his understanding. Ya ayyuhan nabi, qul li azwajik وبناتك ونساء المؤمنين يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن. O Prophet, say to your wives, daughters and believing women that they should draw their cloaks over themselves. Thanks for your full attention.